Right now we're viewing a Pascal's triangle in the two-dimensional Braille view. So I can see that we've got 1 at the top, 1, 1 at the bottom, not at the bottom, on the second line, 1, 2, 1, and I know that I calculate 2 by adding 1 and 1, and if I focus on the 2, I can see on the status line that 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. Great.
And we could do with moving the triangle further up the screen, couldn't we?
Yes. Yeah. So as you arrow down, you can see more information. Now I'm on 1, 3, 3, 1 at the top. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And now it's showing us all the way down to 36 and hundreds in the middle. Let me show you just briefly as well, while we're on the subject of maths, unless you have any questions, Steph.
Well, that's much easier than just doing it on one line and memorising all the figures, isn't it?
100%. It's really useful stuff like probability, where you need to calculate those n choose k.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
yes.
No.
You can do it by hand, or you can just refer to your Pascal's triangle. And while we're in maths mode, let me show you an example maths question, which is using the LaTeX access scripts to translate LaTeX code into UEB maths.
And this is the GCSE question, isn't it?
Yeah, I've taken...
Any student at school could use.
Exactly, I've taken this straight off of a GCSE maths paper. So right now I'm in computer Braille and it's not very readable. I can see things like \times, \sqrt, but...
using LaTeX, it's much better, isn't it?
Exactly. I can change the LaTeX access Braille table. I'm doing this on the command line, but we can do this also through the launcher menu, switch Braille table. And if I switch back, I'll now be able to read my maths in UEB. So I can see, for example, here, 1/3 as a fraction, and square root 36.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's very good. And then square root 3 squared. Squared by the look of it as well.
Yep. And what's really nice here is that it will translate in real time. So anything inside $signs is considered as math mode. So I can actually solve this question and send back the results to my teacher. So I can say 12 squared is 144. Then I'll do \div for divided by. And it translates it straight away into the correct symbol. Now we're doing 1/3 times root 36. So I'll do frac. Root 36 is 6, so 6 on the top. And 3 on the bottom. Now that's changed it into 6/3 as a fraction. And then I can say that that's equal to 144 divided by 2. And say that that is equal to 72.
And you've done your homework for tomorrow.
I have done my homework, all in Braille. Should we stop there?